Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tubi app. You will click on settings. In this page in this first page of settings, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Tubi and you will enter. Here you will click on full stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.